bus is moving, and he's over there.
Oh, I see him. I see him. Yeah, he's in the black shirt.
Black shirt?
Yeah.
I don't totally see him.
He's the one signing the autographs and taking pictures of the people.
I really don't see him. Apparently Daniel Craig is not as tall as Hugh Jackman.
He isn't. Not a requirement to be 007.
Daughter. I'll be at
We got video, sort of. I'm not even sure what this is actually a security guy who's blocking everything. I don't see him. Nobody, the crowd's not going wild. I guess he's still there.
Yeah.
There he is. There he went. Did I get him? Maybe not. Okay, he's over by the crowd signing autographs.
Yeah, he's a little closer.
And I didn't realize you could stand out here and wait. I mean, whatever. Same thing with any professional sporting event. You can do the same thing. Must be signing everything that everyone has. It's interesting. I didn't know it was going to be just the two of them.
Yeah, I didn't either. They are the show.
I wonder who they decide, or how they decide who will come out first.
They probably alternate. Or age before beauty.
Ah, okay. I got this great shot of the security guy. And there's a taxi cab in the way.
Picture of the people.
I think he's still like right there. There he is.
Yeah,
I got him.
You got him?
I got him on there.
All right.
He's Daniel
It's
Craig.
Daniel Craig and Hugh Jackman.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And is he in? Where is he?
He's taking pictures. People. Something that Hugh Jackman didn't do.
There he is. I got him. He's moving.